Yesterday, I've showed you the support level, which we had at the basically monthly level right here. Yeah. And if we zoom out, we can see that it is the retracement to 886 level, Fibonacci level, as you can see, respected really, really well. Yeah, as you can see. And from there, we found support of 16%. That is really, really great. Also, what is very good for me is that we have had a very, very nice volume, in my opinion. If we go to a 30 minutes time frame, as you can see right here, we had a very large candle. As you can see, we haven't had this large candle in a few months, so that is something good to see. Obviously, we have a lot of liquidations right here, so you have to keep in mind that we had a really big decrease in open interest on this candle, because basically we have liquidated everyone who basically have their stop losses right here. So we basically grabbed a lot of liquidity and went to the downside for another retracement, and from there we are having an uptrending channel. So what is important for me right now is the thing that, look at that, yeah, we have been downtrending, and right now this is a potential uptrend. Why? We broke this high, we went to the downside, we found support, and locally right here we have broke this high. That means that potentially we can have start building again bullish market structure. Yeah, so if, let's say, if this is the low, yeah, as you can see, we had a bearish market structure right here. We have broke this high. If we'll retrace basically to the downside to make another higher low and then make a higher high, yeah, this is definitely a bullish market structure. And that means that with this bullish market structure, we can break this high, and that would be bullish market structure in daily time frame. Yeah, because look at that, we broke the high, we have made a higher low. If this is the higher low, then we will make a higher high, and this is the bullish market structure. So obviously we have to wait for a few weeks for that to happen, yeah, to see if this is the low. Honestly, this is a really nice buyback in my opinion. The bulls are really trying to go to the upside. As you can see, a really nice buyback right here, also really nice buyback right here. Yeah, you can visually instantly see that this is a pretty nice buyback. And let's zoom in and check what we have locally, more locally. Yeah, so very simply, as you can see, this is our resistance. Why? Because let's hide higher time frame levels, and I'll show you an important SR flip in my opinion. Yeah, so this is the level, key level, which is important. Why? Because look at how it has been respected in the previous times. Support, resistance, support, resistance, resistance. Yeah, also we have found resistance right here, and we are right now at this level. So this is definitely at a resistance, but very locally what we are also doing is making higher lows, yeah, and higher highs right here locally. Yeah, so we have an uptrending channel, or also one could say that we had a resistance right here. Yeah, also a level in my opinion. So somehow like that, and we have found resistance here once, 2, 3 times, 4 times. Yeah, now we broke this resistance and we flipped it into support. Very important is that we have retested the VWAP. Yeah, so very important level for intraday trading. Yeah, and this is early sign of strength in my opinion, that we might break this resistance level. However, it is very possible for us to reject from here. Basically because this is a resistance. If we zoom out right now and I want to show you my fixed range tools, basically how I pull them and what levels I have. Yeah. So very simply, this is, as you can see, this SR level is just insane. Yeah. What is important also is that we have retested this value area high. It means that we are seeing an acceptance above this range. So we are right now out of this range, and where we are right now, basically from the value area high to the value area low of this range, in my opinion. Because as you can see, we haven't had a really nice volume. Let's take another fixed tool, fixed range. And let's see. So as you can see, we don't have a lot of volume right here. So one could say that we can range right here a little bit to build some volume, yeah, and then broke to the upside or to the downside. As you can see, very important level right here is $42,000, yeah. Obviously, it is a SR flip because we had resistance, support, broken, flips into resistance. Very important, $42,000. Remember it. A key level in my opinion. So very simply, locally, we are flipping resistance into support in a little bit higher time frame. As you can see, in 4 hours time frame, we have an important resistance level, which we didn't broke. We didn't have any candle closes above this level, so we have to wait for that, or we will see a rejection. Yeah. We have to monitor also this value area, because if we'll see an acceptance, definitely we'll have to look at the point of control again, and that would be also a plan to make a retracement, yeah, maybe into the golden pocket, and then go to the upside to make another higher high. Yeah, so that would be low, high, higher low, and higher high. That would be really nice to see, to visit maybe this point of control, to retest it, make sure that this acting as resistance, and head to the upside. Yeah, I wouldn't be scared to long right here if I see the demand and basically the price is bouncing from this point of control. So very simply, we have our support levels to the downside and we have resistance levels to the upside. Trade the level to level, yeah. You don't have to look at the 100,000 targets and to 20k targets, because locally we have very important levels, yeah. SR flip, golden pocket, previous range point of control, trade that, range to range, level to level, and it should be pretty good. So that is it for today. Hope you liked it, and see you later. Bye.